Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier supports Wi-Fi calling and that your account is enabled. This avoids wasted steps later. Next, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network with a strong signal. Wi-Fi calling needs reliable upload and download. Once connected, put the phone briefly into airplane mode and then turn Wi-Fi back on. This forces the device to use Wi-Fi first. Make sure your Android version is current so the Wi-Fi calling option appears in settings. You now enable Wi-Fi calling in the system settings. Go to Settings, then Connections or Network and Internet depending on your phone. Find Wi-Fi calling or calls over Wi-Fi and toggle it on. If prompted, enter your emergency address for 911 services. Once done, set the calling preference to Wi-Fi preferred if available so calls use Wi-Fi when connected. If the option is missing, update the carrier services app or your phone system updates. Then reboot and check again. You finish by placing a test call to confirm audio quality and connection stability. Listen for delays, dropouts, or one-way audio. Once done, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular to verify the phone hands calls over correctly. If call quality is poor, reboot the phone, toggle Wi-Fi calling off and on, and ensure the router isn't blocking SIP or port ranges. A key troubleshooting tip: if calls still fail, contact your carrier to confirm feature provisioning or request a network refresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.